In this video, I'll show you a realistic graphics mod for GTA San Andreas that runs smoothly on low-end PCs. Check my video description for this mod link, select the download option and download this mod. Once download done, right click on the mod files and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. For doing this mod, backup your game folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, open the essential pack, open the essential pack folder, drag and drop all these files inside. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, go back, open the graphics mod, and open the graphics mod. Select all these files inside and drag and drop. Replace the file in the destination. Now go to optional mod. Drag and drop this mod loader inside of a game folder. Once this done, close stuff here. 14,000 KB. Just right click on this application and select show more. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Now you need to launch the game through the newly created shortcut. I will add before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.